today I will explain you about the chapter 1 of geography, which is India size and location. In this we will study four headings, which is number 1 is India's location, second is its size, third is India and the world, and fourth is its neighbor. First of all, we will take up location. In location, we can see that India lies in the northern hemisphere, and its latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and its longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The second point in this is that the Tropic of Cancer line passes through India, and this line divides India into two equal halves. And if we see the distance between north and south tip is 3214 kilometer, and if we see east and west tip distance is 2930 kilometer. And because of the angle difference, we have time gap in the Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, and that is why we have to take a standard time meridian line, and just to make the uniformity time in India. And next is its size. The size of India is 3.24 square million square kilometer, and its area is about 2.4% of the world area. And if we can also see that India is the seventh largest country in the world. The first largest country in terms of area is Russia. If you see the mainland coastline, that is, if you see this extent, this boundary of India, it is about 15,200 kilometer. And if we see the coastal line is about this coastal line means if the part of India which is surrounded by water, this coastal line is about 7,516.6 kilometer. And if we see India, you can see that Bay of Bengal is in the east, and we have Arabian Sea in the west, and in the south we have Indian Ocean. Now we will discuss India and the world. As I have said that India is the seventh largest country in the world, and it also connects because of its Deccan Peninsula. We can also see that ships can be moved from one place to another, and India has the largest coastline. Next is its neighbors. We can see that India has 9 neighboring countries. You can see here is Pakistan. We also have Afghanistan. We have Nepal, China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar in the east, and in the south we can see Sri Lanka and Maldives. So this is about the India size and location. And we can also know that India's rich commercialization and cultural heritage is also, and India has the oldest civilization in the world, and which is, we know that it is Indus Valley civilization. So this is about India and its location. Thank you.